Hi guys, Mark here for the second time tonight. The table is ready for the operation again, all cleaned up, and it's all looking good. I got one box left. See that pile that I had here before the weekend? It's all empty boxes, well, except one in the other corner. There's few hoses in it, but I can't use them yet. They are for near future, I hope. Anyway, let's go back to the pump. What I want to concentrate on in this video is this pump. It's a water pump for M127. It will go right here in that empty, lonely spot, just underneath those rusted lines. Don't worry, they are coming out as well. I got the replacement, and that's right after the pump. That's going to be done as well. Anyway, let's concentrate on the pump here. So I got the Fabi unit. I already got it out of the box, so there will be no unboxing video. I'm so sorry. Anyway, here's the part number. It's Fabi number 11688. And whatever else you need to see on that box. I think it's 127 110120. So in Mercedes numbers would be 127 110 120. Now we're missing one digit here, I guess. Well, anyway, maybe on the bill. So here's the pump that came in a box. Well, first glance looks okay, but it's hard not to notice how much smaller the impeller is. And of course, it's not the cast anymore like it was the case with the old one. You can see it, and the shape of the impeller. We have on that old one, let me grab something pointy here. On the old one, you could see it, that nice shape here at the top, and that water is coming right from the top, hitting this surface here, and is being dispersed right into the blades. That's where on the new one, this is a flat surface, so that brings a little concern. Will this be as efficient as the other one? Well, not too many people complain, so I hope it's not bad, but definitely from my past experience in machining and all this, there's no way that we can achieve the same efficiency with this style fan. Close, but not the same. Another thing is, as I put them side by side here, you will see on the new fan, it's not as tall. So there's this big gap between the pump and the body. The gap is about 2.5 mm. I measure it already. It's kind of hard for me to put the vernier on it now and film it at the same time. But trust me, the gap is 2.5, maybe even 3, 2.5 for sure. 2.5 millimeters bigger. So therefore, the fan is simply shallower. It's not as tall as the old one, and my main concern here was the shape at the top. If you look at them side by side now, maybe, I don't know if you get a good view right now, the new one is definitely flat, as you can see it, and so the water may not be directed into the fan as efficiently as it used to be on the old one. So definitely I'm not throwing the old pump out. The idea is probably to get yet another unit, yet another new unit. This one will go on the engine now, there's no question. It's going in there, and that's it. I want to finish the job. But for the future, what I will do, I will try to recover this fan right here of the old pump, and then get another unit and simply clean that, refurbish this guy, and press it on a new pump. So if you guys have one of those old ones, don't throw them out, because you're not gonna be able to get it anymore. It's just, I guess that's the way the things are going. Well, okay, so that's size-wise and everything else. They look the same. There's no, of course, this is a three-hole pump for my setup for the M127 direct drive. As you can see it here, exact same. So. You know what? Who knows? Maybe even the shaft is a tiny bit shorter because, as you see here, the shaft is not penetrating all the way, while on this guy, the shaft is flush with the impeller. So anyway, enough of blabbing. Let's. Of course, I got a new seal to go with it, and now I got an extra one because I bought one before too. Okay, so let's put the camera on the engine here and see what we can do. Okay, like this. Maybe zoom in a bit, get it off to the side a touch, so I have some room to work with. I don't know how much more I can zoom. I hope that's gonna be good. Okay, so you know what, I'm gonna just remove that bolt here for now, as well as this rusted tubing. Like I said, I have the new one. I just put that in place just for the heck of it, just to see how it fits.